Why is airflow important for efficient food dehydrator drying? Imagine trying to dry clothes outside on a breezy day versus on a still, humid afternoon. The wind helps the moisture escape faster, right? The same idea applies inside a food dehydrator. Airflow is what moves warm, dry air over your food, helping it lose moisture quickly and evenly. Without good airflow, moisture can build up around the food, making it take longer to dry and possibly causing uneven results. This can lead to some pieces being over-dried while others stay moist, which might cause spoilage or mold. In a food dehydrator, airflow works hand in hand with heat. The fan inside the machine pushes warm air across the food surfaces. This moving air absorbs the moisture from the food and carries it out through vents. If the airflow is weak or blocked, humidity can stay trapped inside, slowing down the drying process. That's why a well-designed dehydrator has vents and a fan that keeps air circulating smoothly. There are two main airflow styles in food dehydrators. Horizontal airflow has the fan and heating element on the side, which helps distribute air evenly across all trays. This design is great for drying different foods at once without flavors mixing. Vertical airflow, with the fan at the bottom, pushes air through trays in sequence. This can cause uneven drying because the top trays might not get as much airflow. For home use, horizontal airflow models are usually better because they give more consistent results. Good airflow also saves energy. When air moves efficiently, the food dries faster, cutting down on the time the machine needs to run. Shorter drying times mean less electricity used and lower energy bills. Some advanced dehydrators balance the airflow to keep it steady, which makes drying more reliable and reduces power consumption. Proper airflow can cut drying time by up to 30%, which is a big help when you want to preserve large batches of food. For everyday use, a food dehydrator with strong airflow means faster drying cycles, so you can make more dried foods in less time. It also means the food dries evenly, keeping its color, flavor, and nutrients intact. You can dry different foods together without worrying about flavor transfer, especially with models that have horizontal airflow. Plus, shorter drying times save energy and reduce your operating costs. When airflow is working well, your dried foods come out perfect every time, making food preservation simple and effective.